Okay, my fans, I don't know whether you don't know, but if you don't know, make I tell you. You get what they call permutation with repetition and permutation without repetition. The same way combination to get combination with repetition and combination without repetition. You go ask yourself this one, you come on that permutation with repetition or without. In fact, for me to see P inside the equation, I know say this one a permutation, maybe combination. So maybe focus on permutation. Yeah. Permutation, now if you don't see am for ordinary math, if you dey for calculus, for that mathematics. So, but then a simple math. Make we run am. But if na the first time you join me now, make sure to make subscribe to my channel. If you never see this channel before na the first time, subscribe first. I beg. Turn on the notification bell, then like this video. Make sure to share. I make it so bad. If you prepare for JAMB, WAEC, may not pay attention to this thing. They say if P 6 permutation R is equal to 6, find the value of 6 permutation R plus 1. See the options. Then you go choose which one tally when you don't solve and where. But before I start to solve this thing, you get some few tips or things that I need to tell you for this particular thing will be helpful. Normally, the general formula for permutation. I tell you say we get permutation with repetition. If you see number where they don't repeat, we plenty, maybe they give you 2, 2, 9, 5, 7, 2, 3. This is a great number where repeat inside. We use permutation with repetition. So without repetition, you don't see anything where they repeat here. So the formula for permutation without repetition now, n permutation r, and n permutation r will give n factorial all over n minus r. This n minus r factorial. It don't finish. It don't finish. As you say like this now, if they give you a question like this, I play with you before I start to solve and make water ground. So if you give 4 permutation 2, it means say this n, this 4 they take the position of n, 2 they take the position of r. So anywhere you see n, you put 4, see r, you put 2. I want to show you how they take solve this math. I can get 4 factorial all over 4 minus 2 factorial. So now, another thing I want to teach you now, what's be factorial? If I get 9 factorial, what do you mean? It means 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then you can check anything given and the final answer. If they say me, waiting be 5 factorial, we just say now 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 5 times 4, 20 times 2, 60 times 2. So the answer of this one will be 120. So I can give me 120. Why no one calculate so you will take time, you waste our time. Because you know what's up. Just check the answer by yourself. Now we get 4 factorial. What is that one supposed to tell you? I talk. Put up a comment section. 4 factorial mean waiting. Talk, I might know see how they break things that we had. They can know how they teach you where. You don't talk, you don't type them. You get them now. But I will show you two patterns. Two patterns we will make life easy. You know, say I like shortcut and make for pass exam. This one normally means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now what you get? Now what you get? Okay, you're correct now. All over 2 minus 4 minus 2 normally now 2 now. So you can't get here as 2 factorial. So 2 factorial still means 2 times 1. So maybe just come out and do 2 times 1. So like as it be like this now. I follow long road though, because I'll show you short road too. 4 times 3, 12 times 2, 24. 24 over 2. 2 times 1 are 2. This one will give us waiting 12, Abby. Even if you don't even do this thing from here and here, if you cancel and come out, so that 4 times 3 will give you 12. A shortcut if you do for here now, if you say 4 factorial all over 4 minus 2, now 2 factorial. When you get this point now, you're going to say 4 factorial means 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. Why the end for 2 factorial? Because you see 2 factorial down. You want to make them cancel. So that you can just say 4 times 3, 12. We dey like do this kind of thing when we get larger number. You need to learn that pattern. It make life easier for us. So now you don't know how permutation they work, Abi, without repetition. Now I'm gonna show you how you go take solve this problem now. Where they won't carry minus. I don't clean the formula while I write. So check. I mean they like this video. N permutation r equal to n factorial all over n minus r factorial. Don't forget the factorial. Now, if 6 permutation r is equal to 6, Find the value of 6 permutation. See what you want to find here. Make we leave that one now. Make we analyze this first one. This one resemble this one, and see what we use solve am. They say na equal to 6, so make we run am. Now 6 permutation arrow, just like the formula. This one rhyme with this one. The outcome of 6 permutation arrow will be 6 factorial all over 6 minus arrow, 6 minus arrow, 6 minus arrow factorial. That will be the outcome. Remember, they say this thing will be this thing equal to 6. That means this one like this now equal to 6. So what they get now? Now this one equal to this one. Forget about this one. This one now use and capture this one. So now from here now, see what I want to do. 6 factorial. I want to swap these two. You come here, you come here. Basically, what you supposed to do if one do normal math, you waste time. If you make it over 1, you want to do cross multiply, or even you want to make it over 1, you say multiply both sides by this denominator, so that this one will cancel here, this one will come for this side. What I mean, we say if you want to do something like the 6 factorial over, say that 6 minus arrow factorial times 6, so equal to 9 there. I'm gonna go write different thing, equal to 6. What you normally want to do, go say here now over 1. 1 times 6 factorial is 6 factorial, equal to 6 times this one, 6 into 6 minus arrow factorial. Abi, what you want to do first? Then finally I can say divide both sides by 6, divide both sides by 6. This one will cancel, because this one over this equal to this other one. But me, shortcut now, I just say swap this one, swap this one. So now, if this one they come here, let me say over 6 equal to this one, don't go there, 6 minus arrow factorial. Make we not waste time, let me do it like that. Now, make we solve the go. I remove this one. What you can solve for this particular place? 6 factorial normally, based on that shortcut I tell you, 6 factorial is the same thing as 6 times 5 factorial. Why I want end there? Because I get 6 down here. I want to make 6 and 6 cancel. So I don't need to waste time to do times 4 times. No. Equal to this right hand side, 6 minus arrow factorial. Remember, we get what we want to find. No? We want to make water the ground. So you know, say this one and this one will cancel. If they cancel, what will remain? Make we use this part of the board. What will remain now? 5 factorial equal to 6 minus arrow factorial. I dey see factorial for left, I dey see factorial for right. No waste time. Cancel that factorial, come out. Why didn't go the day for 2 places? What's that one? So then you're going to get 5 equal to 6 minus arrow. Find arrow there. This arrow carry negative. If you can't call this side, make 5 go this side. More like they say arrow equal to 6 minus 5. And if you don't understand like that, Kukuma carry 6, come this side though. Anyhow, I don't know. This one, I'm not supposed to explain this pattern. You're supposed to understand this one now. Minus arrow cross come this side, will become plus arrow. Plus 5 cross go this side, will become minus 5. You're not supposed to cause problem. Make you just finish my bag. Arrow now equal to 6 minus 5 now 1. If I find one here, you know, see, you know, see, you never even start life. They say if this one is equal to this, find the value of, see the value where they find, not be arrow they find. But now, for you to get this one, you need to find arrow. Let me now find arrow as 1. You shock am. Like the video now, like am. Like I know see they smile. If they like us, we break them down. So yeah, make we find what they say we find. They say we find 6, the value of 6 permutation arrow plus 1. When you don't get our arrow as 1, you can say 6 permutation 1 plus 1. It will give us 6 permutation 2. 6 permutation 2, just be like that first question where I teach you. Where I say make you solve one question first. Where I first solve 4 permutation 2. And it's telling me as 6 permutation 2. So this will be like example 2 I give you make you solve. And you know the formula of permutation as this one. This one equal to this. This one, maybe I might use this point. 6 permutation 2 equal to let me exactly this one equal to 6 factorial. 6 factorial all over 6 minus 2 factorial. This one will give you 6 factorial over 6 minus 2, shey na 4. Abi? 4 factorial. Now 6 factorial, shey you know say, remember say that shortcut. Normally 6 factorial is supposed to do 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That shortcut will show you. You go do am 6 times 5 times 4 factorial. Why? You get 4 factorial down. Make you quickly cancel to make life easy. So you come there as 6 times 5 times 4 factorial over 4 factorial. So 4 factorial and 4 factorial will cancel. You, wetin be 6 times 5? No, calm down, tell me, wetin be 6 times 5? Put am for comment section because I dey see you like this as you dey type. No fuck up o. Wetin be 6 times 5? When you put am for comment section, check which option